So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Voyager possibly coming to Canada and making a lot of people happy because a lot of people want to get onto the Voyager platform in Canada because Voyager is listed in Canada, and I'm assuming there's a lot of investors that are just patiently waiting and hoping to get onto the Voyager platform when it finally enters into Canada. So, Big Digital Asset recently announced that they finally got the restricted dealer in Canada. They've been saying that they were trying to get this regulation from Canada for a long time, and they finally now is registered under Canada as an official platform, and this is good news for Netcoins or for Big Digital Asset. And Voyager is in the same scenario. They've been saying that we're gonna get into Canada, like so for like over a year now, and they finally, Voyager finally got into Toronto Stock Exchange, and maybe in a couple weeks, maybe in a week, maybe in a month, Voyager might finally get into Canada. So, but the thing is, if Voyager does get into Canada, they might have to restrict their platform. They might not have as many cryptos as the US version. They might have to make like a Canadian version of their Voyager platform and have restricted coins, because that's what Big Digital Aspect, according to CEO of Big Digital Asset, he's saying that they had to restrict their coins, make sure they get this license, and now they can start adding coins, but they have to go through the proper regulations to add coins. So Voyager might have to do like a second version, and then over time slowly add coins into the Canada version one. So, it is what it is, but I still would like for Voyager to come to Canada. I would like to see what, I'm hoping to get some VGX token right off their platform when it comes to Canada. But we'll see. Only time will tell if that happens or it doesn't happen. But I hope it does. So yeah, Big Digital Asset, on the day of that announcement, the stock popped all the way up to $1.51, and then it crashed and it faded off, and now it's trading at $1.31. Moving forward, we'll see how this, how the market pumps or dumps Big Digital Asset. I have a zero position in it, but I think the company has a little bit of potential. But honestly, it is a very, very, very competitive market out there. And the slower and slower, they need some kind of compelling reasons for people to join their platform. Right now, I just don't see it. I did sign up for big Netcoins, and I don't ever use it. So we'll see what happens moving forward. But my opinion is, I still think that big money moves the market. So if big money wants to pump this thing higher, then they will. How the market works, I think. I don't know at the end of the day. And big money doesn't always mean institutional investors. Big money can be billionaires or people who have hundreds of millions of dollars. I think that's what big money is. It could be individual retail investors that has a lot of money, or it could be institutions, or it could be like a private firm. Those are the guys that can move markets. Voyager, the stock right now is trading at $12.98. I think this is still a fantastic buying opportunity. That's my opinion. It could go lower. I don't know at the end of the day, but I wish I was a little bit more patient on this stock and waited waited this ride out and try to buy as low as possible. Oh well, whatever. Right. At this time, all I can do is just keep adding slowly and hope it doesn't go down anymore. I mean, it could, but I still think that this is good opportunity. I mean, the best opportunity would be like down here when it was $1. I don't think that's happening, but it could go down to like $8, $5. Who knows at the end of the day what people are gonna do? But right now there seems to be a lot of positivity in the crypto market. The U.S. Fed came out and said that we're not banning crypto, and Bitcoin skyrocketed, and it's causing other altcoins to go up. We'll see moving forward what happens with Voyager, but if Voyager gets into Canada, I think that'll be a pump to the stock. If they get into Europe, I think that's a pump to their stock. If they get into New York State, that will definitely be a pump to their stock. If they get on the NASDAQ, that could be a temporary pump to their stock. So, see, there's a lot of catalysts for Voyager moving forward. And then, kind of wanted to bring this up. Voyager Crypto Made Simple. Recently there was a lot of negativity on the review, but it's been changed. So my assumption is Voyager's been fixing the app. They've been fixing a lot of problems people had with the app, and people are coming back to the current review and changing the 1 star to maybe possibly 4 stars or 5 stars. So very good for Voyager. This helps. This, like, having a 4.6 stars really helps with getting more people to the platform, because people are gonna look at the reviews and they'll be like, oh look, 4.6 stars. I think I'm gonna download this app. I think reviews really help, and the fact that they got 4.6 stars is pretty good. Before it was like 3.5 stars. I think I saw as low as 2.7 stars. This is when Voyager had a lot of problems because they were such a small company with and they didn't expect a huge amount of customers to suddenly download the app and start using it, and it made them have a lot of problems. And when they had problems, a lot of people went onto the app and started giving them poor reviews, and then they said they would fix it, and they have, and now the reviews been switched from 1 stars to maybe possibly 4 or 5 stars. Very good for them. Glad to see that as a shareholder. So anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.